I'm about to show y'all how to make some guacamole that's so good. How good? That you will eat it in the rain, you'll eat it on the train, you'll eat it on the boat, you'll eat it with a goat, you'll eat it in a box, you'll eat it with a fox. You'll just watch the damn video. Ready talking about?
I've been waiting for like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell, and today we're gonna make some guacamole. Alright? And I'm gonna show you guys a quick, easy way to make this, but delicious, full of flavor. First, let's start with the list of ingredients that you'll need. You're gonna need some chips, man. Some tortilla chips, Tostitos, scoops. Everybody love these, man. Need some, oh shit. You're gonna need some avocados. Now you see these aren't green, because I'm making it right now. You know what I'm saying? If you get the real green ones, they're not gonna be good for guacamole, because they're not gonna be right. I need some limes, some jalapeno, green pepper, red onion, not white onion this time, red onion, some cilantro, and just a little bit of salt. Very, very quick, easy, but delicious guacamole recipe. This recipe been passed down from generations and generations, time after time. So I'm giving y'all this secret, man. This is equivalent to the Krusty Krab secret Krabby Patty formula. You feel me? Plankton is gonna try to get this right here. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First thing you wanna do, get your avocados. I want you to cut them up and put them in a bowl that's kind of steep, because you're gonna mix all this stuff together. It's a nice little Chef Ramsay bowl. So I'm gonna show you how to cut one, and then I'm gonna just put the rest in there. Kind of just wanna just kind of go like in a circular motion like this, you feel me? See that? Once you get it like that, voila. Take this out. Ugh. It's not working today, so you know what? I'm just gonna pop that out. But pretty much you just wanna go ahead and just cut around the outside. See that? Oh shit. Cut around the outside and just put it all in there. All right. So I'm gonna do that to all of them, and I'm gonna show you what it look like. All 3 avocados are up inside here. Now I'm gonna mash them up and get it nice and give it that nice mushy texture. And then we're gonna start cutting up the onions, the jalapenos, and the cilantro. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this jalapeno up. I was gonna use 2. If you guys really like jalapenos, you can go ahead and add it in. But I think this big one is just enough. You don't wanna overdo it, but you pretty much just gonna cut it up. This is how I like to cut it, man, just like this. Cut it like this all the way through. And trust me, these jalapenos is gonna set it off, man. This is like everything that I'm doing right now, I want you guys to do it so it tastes like this. You guys can add your own stuff if you like, but I'm telling you, man, try my way and y'all will not be disappointed, man. You will eat it in the house and you will eat it with a mouse. You feel me? But you pretty much just gonna just cut it up. All right, so I'm gonna cut this up, and then I'm gonna cut the onion up, and I'm gonna show you what to do with it. All right, so I got the red onions and I got the jalapenos all chopped up, nice and diced into little slices, feel me? And he's gonna go ahead and just put some inside of this guac, man. Just sprinkle some in there. It's gonna give it so much flavors, guys. Take my word for it. Just gonna go ahead and just put some in there, man. Depending on how much you like onions and how much you like jalapeno peppers, just put in there accordingly, man. Just go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Oh man, it smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell this, man. So you see, you can add a little bit more. When you mix it around, you can see how much you need. So I'm just gonna put all this on, man. Get flavor in every bite. You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and put all that in there. All right. And once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and put some of this cilantro in there. This is very important as well, because cilantro is gonna give it that unique taste. Trust me. I've never had cilantro other than in guacamole. If you buy it like this, you can also get it in like a little plastic container or package or whatever, but it's more expensive. If you just go ahead and get it just like that in the greens, it'd be okay. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off a little bit. Kind of smells like, it's almost minty. It's like a real strong taste, or a real strong smell. Just gonna go ahead and just take the little leaves off of the stem and just put it in there. You just go according to, you know, you're gonna taste it too to see how much you're gonna need. But you know, with me, I usually know how much I'm gonna use. Bring them in and show them this real quick, man. Get a nice little close up on that cilantro, man. Just put it in there, man. Just smells good, yo. It like smells so refreshing. So I'm gonna put the cilantro in there. And after you put the cilantro, you're gonna cut the lime up. You're gonna add some lime in there. And that lime is gonna set it off, man. I'm telling you, look, if you follow these instructions, these directions of this recipe, you will thank me later, I'm telling you. And the best thing about this recipe is you can put guacamole in some burritos, some bean burritos if you want. Shoot, if you're having like a little get together at your house, you can put some guacamole on the table with some chips, some salsa. So I mean, it's a lot of things you can use guacamole with. You can put it on sandwiches if you want. It's just full of flavor, man. Just go ahead and just mix it up in there. You know what I'm saying? Everything's starting to come together like a big family.
Ohana means family. And family means don't get left behind.
It's the Lilo and Stitch for you right there, man. There's a big family inside this bowl, man. You just mix it up. And I'll probably add a few more cilantro. Just a little bit, just a few more. You know what I'm saying? You just want to kind of eyeball it and taste it as you go. So we got that. Now we're gonna cut up this lime. Got this lime cut in half. Now with the lime, I picked up 2 limes. You kind of want to just squirt some in there and then try it and then see if you need to add the other one. But usually 2 is good, or 1, 2 halves. It's usually good. And also when you put the lime in there, it's gonna help soften up that guacamole too. So if you got like, you know, if it's not really consistent and you add that lime, it's gonna give it more consistency. Then you wanna go ahead with the salt, man. Yo, man, just go in there. You don't dump it. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to get high blood pressure, you feel me? But just go ahead and just sprinkle a little bit of salt on there, man. Because you already got a lot of sodium in these chips. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to take a chip and I'm going to taste test it real quick. See what I need to add. A little bit more salt, just a little bit. Look at that. Boom. Mix it up. That jalapeno just hit me. That shit kicking like Bruce Lee, man. God damn. Anybody know me, man, they know I'm not a huge fan of spices. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to these jalapenos, man, it adds so much flavor. You got no choice but to just take it, man. Just take the heat. Let me try with this, man. Pretty good. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna cut this other lime up. I'm gonna use just another half. So like I said, you wanna get it to where you like it. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all probably would've tasted that, or taste that, and I've been like, that's fine with me. Mix it up again. Let's see, let me try this out. A little bit more salt. A little bit. I know I said that last time, but you gotta taste it as you go. If you add some lime, you gotta balance it out with a little bit more salt, man. That should be it. Look, there you have it. Guacamole. Oh my goodness, man. Let's come give a close up on this, man. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Easy. Quick, easy, delicious recipe right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment below if you try this out. And I'll see y'all next video. What are you talking about?